So this is an example of how we could do stereo image processing. I don't know that this will work on the fly. At least I haven't found a tool to do it. But this is one tool that'll do still image stereo processing. So I've taken two different images. You can see down here at the bottom I have two images of the same chair. And the images are pretty extreme in terms of their angles. So I had this chair about 3 feet from the camera, and I moved the camera about 1.5 or 2 feet left and right to take these images. And that's a pretty extreme example of a stereo image collection. We probably wouldn't have that high angle of shot in whatever we did inside of a channel. But here's the result. This software will take the two images and it will create a 3D rendered result. And I haven't used this too much, but it shows you an example of where the two images were taken, and that's actually correct. And it shows a reconstructed result. And you can see that in this case, the chair looks correct. It looks like it should look. It's been properly reconstructed. I think that if I did this with proper lighting and less of an angle, it probably wouldn't be, you wouldn't have this glare over here. So I'm guessing that this is from the shadowing, the lighting, and the fact that I took these again at a pretty severe angle. So this is the kind of image that we can probably produce using 3D or stereo to single view reconstruction. The fact that this worked on a single or a 3D image means we could easily get a single image that would look just like this head on, even though the two individual cameras took an angled view. So I think there's hope here. I haven't found a specific tool to do this. This particular company might, it's called, I guess, PhotoScan. They might be somebody that would be able to do this on the fly with video, especially if we can say, hey, we know exactly where the cameras are, we know where the subject is, all that stuff stays the same, the angles stay the same, we just need to process a single center output on the fly.